Hi everyone, so for today we have this really nice dog toy octopus. So this toy, it is amazing because you can stretch all the tails that it comes with and you can play tug of war. It has a squish to it, so it makes a sound, as you can see, and the dogs love it so much. You can give it and they're not breakable, so if your dog wants to rip it, it's really hard for them to do it, which is super amazing because I have a big dog and he loves to, it's really rough, so this is just perfect for him to play with. And it's just amazing because you can just interact with your dog and play with him as well. I really love it and it's super cute. It is a really nice soft material. I really love it, and your dog can sleep with it, anything. This is just amazing for them. I just love it how like stretchy it goes. As you can see, they all stretch, which is super amazing, and I really love it. It has two eyes, as you can see, and it's just really nice and soft for them to play with. So hope you guys enjoy this product. Thank you so much. Bye.